Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu Learn Tulu Language Online. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also, please like and share this video. In the last video, we have learned to conjugate verbs in simple present tense. Today we will learn negative and interrogative sentences in simple present tense. Before we start, let me tell you how to conjugate the auxiliary verb uppu in simple present tense. Uppu means to be. There are two forms of this verb exist in the simple present tense, uppu and ul. First, let us conjugate the verb uppu. So you know how to conjugate verbs in simple present tense. Uppu is a class B verb. The formula is root verb plus u plus personal ending. Personal ending for yan is a. So it will be uppu plus u plus a, uppu a, means I am. So yan uppuva, I am. E uppuva, you are. I or imbe uppuve, he is. Al or molo uppuval, she is. Au or undu uppundu, it is. Nama or enkulo uppuva, we are. Ir or nikulu uppuvar, you are. Akulu or mokulu or are or mere uppuver, they are. Neikulo or aikulo uppuva, they are. As I said in the previous lesson, simple present form is also used to make sentences in future tense. So examples: Yanu epala mulu uppuve, I am always here. This is in simple present tense. I ella avuluppuve, he will be there tomorrow. This is in future tense. Now let us conjugate another auxiliary verb ul in simple present tense. This verb is only used in present tense. So unlike all other verbs, we don't have to add simple present tense suffix u or pu to this verb. We have to add the personal ending directly to the root verb ul. Ul plus personal endings. Personal ending for yana is a. So ul plus a. Ulla means I am. Yan ulla, I am. E ulla, you are. I or imbe ulle, he is. Al or molo, ullal, she is. Au or undu, it is. Nama or enkulu, ulla, we have. Ir or nikulu, ullar, you are. Akulu or mukulu or are or mere, uller, they are. Neikulu or aikulu ulla, they are. This verb is mainly used to tell about existence. Examples: Yan ulla, I am there, I am present. Devir uller, God is there, God exists. Yan mulu ulla, you olulla, I am here, where are you? Maratu vanji mange undo, there is a monkey on the tree. Ninada mast kaasundu, you have a lot of money. Aklena illadu raddu nailu ulla, they have two dogs at their house. Encha ulla, how are you? Informal. Encha ullar, how are you? Formal. Yan ushar ulla, I am fine. So undu is the neuter singular form of the root verb ul. Undu means it is or it exists, and its opposite form is ijji, which means it is not or it doesn't exist, or it's used to just to say no. Unlike other Dravidian languages, in Tulu, negative verbs are also conjugated by adding personal endings. Let us see how to conjugate the negative verbs ijji in simple present tense. Crude form of ijji is ij. It is conjugated same like the verb ul. We have to add the personal endings directly to the root verb. So ij plus personal endings. Personal ending for yana is a. So ij plus a, ijja means I am not. Yan ijja, I am not. E ijja, you are not. I ijja, you are not. I or imbe ijje, he is not. Al or molo ijjal, she is not. Au or undu ijji, it is not. Nama or enkulu ijja, we are not. Ir or nikulu ijjar, you are not. Akulu or mukkulu or ar or meer ijjer, they are not. Undikulu or aikulu ijja, they are not. This form mainly used to tell about non-existence. Aye ijje, he is not there, he is absent. Devir ijjer, God is not there, God does not exist. Enda kaas ijji, I don't have money. Yan orudu ijje, I am out of town. How sadhya ijji, it is not possible. Okay, this is all about the auxiliary verbs uppu, ul and ijji. Now let us come back to the negative forms in simple present tense. We know in simple present tense class A verbs are conjugated by adding pu suffix, and class B verbs are conjugated by adding u suffix. The same rule applies to form negative forms of verbs in simple present tense. Class A, root verb plus pu plus personal ending. Class B, root verb plus u plus personal ending. All we have to learn is the personal endings for negative form of sentences in simple present tense. First person singular yanam. Personal ending is uje. First person plural nama or enkalo. Personal ending uja. Second person singular e. Personal ending uja. Second person plural nikulu or ir. Personal ending ujar. Third person masculine singular I or imbe. Personal ending uje. Third person feminine singular al or molu. Personal ending ujal. Third person masculine and feminine plural akulu or ar or mokulu or mer. Ujer. Personal ending ujer. Third person neuter singular au or undu. Personal ending uji. Third person neuter plural aikulu or nekulu. Personal ending uja. These personal endings are derived from the negative verb ijji. Now let us conjugate the verbs po and malpu in simple present tense negative form. The rules are same as explained in the previous lesson to conjugate the verbs in simple present tense, but all you need to change the personal endings to make it negative. Po means go. It is class A verb. It is conjugated by adding pu suffix before adding the personal ending. Root verb plus pu plus personal ending. Po plus pu plus personal ending. Negative personal ending for yana is uja. So it will be po plus pu plus uja, po puja, which means I don't go. Yan po puja, I don't go. E po puja, you don't go. I or imbe po puje, he doesn't go. Al or molu po pujal, she doesn't go. Au or undu po puji, it doesn't go. Nama or enkulu po puja, we don't go. Ir or nikulu po pujar, you don't go. Akulu or mokulu or ar or mer po pujar, they don't go. Undikulu or aikulu po puja, they don't go. And malpu means do. It is a class B verb, so it is conjugated by adding the suffix u before adding the personal ending. Root verb plus u plus personal ending. Malpu plus u plus personal ending. Negative personal ending for yan is uja, so it will be malpu plus u plus uja, malpuja, which means I don't do. Yan malpuja, I don't do. E malpuja, you don't do. I or imbe malpuje, he doesn't do. Al or molo malpujal, she doesn't do. Au or undu malpuji, it doesn't do. Nama or enkulu malpuja, we don't do. Ir or nikulu malpujar, You don't do. Akulu or Mukulu or Ar or Mer Malpujer. They don't do. Nekulu or Aikulu Malpuja. They don't do. Now let us see some negative sentences in simple present tense. Yana saleg popuje. I don't go to school. I ratridu jippuje. He doesn't sleep at night. Al eredala patirujal. She doesn't speak with anyone. Akulu cha parpujir. They don't drink tea. Petta peiru korpuji. Cow doesn't give milk. E daya barpuja. Why don't you come? As I said in the previous lessons, simple present tense is also used to make sentences in future tense. Yan yella barpuja. I will not come tomorrow. Yan ninan madapuja. I will not forget you. Nama nana epogla tikkuja. We will never meet again. Okay, now let us learn how to make interrogative sentences in Tulu. To make the interrogative form of sentences, we need to add a or na suffix at the end. If a word or sentence ends in vowel a or o, then add na. If a word or sentence ends in a consonant or of o, e or u, then add a. But what is important here is the way we pronounce the sentence to make it as a question. Yanu barpe, I come. Yanu barpena, do I come? Here ending vowel is a, so we added na. E barpa, you come. E barpana, do you come? Here also ending vowel is a, so we added na. Aye barpe, he comes. Aye barpena, does he come? Here also ending vowel is a, so we added na. Alu barpal, she comes. Al barpala, does she come? Here we have consonant at the end, so we have added a. Au barpundu, it comes. Au barpunda, does it come? Here ending vowel is u, so we added a. Nama barpa, we come. Nama barpana, do we come? Nikulu barpar, you come. Nikulu barpara, do you come? Akulu barper, they come. Akulu barpera, do they come? Aikulu barpa, they come. Aikulu barpana, do they come? Now let us see some example sentences. E salegpopana, do you go to school? And yan salegpope, yes I go to school. Ijji yan salegpopuja, no I don't go to school. Instead of saying the entire sentence, we can simply say the verb to answer such questions. I ella barpena, will he come tomorrow? And barpe, yes he will come. Ijji barpuje, no he will not come. Usharullana, are you fine? Ella barpana, will you come tomorrow? Akulu barpujera, will they not come? Cha barpara, will you drink tea? Manas malpuara, will you have lunch? Dala tinpujara, will you not eat anything? Illade barpujana, don't you come home? Illad mata usharullera, is everyone fine at home? Ninada kasunda, do you have money? Nama 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎತ್ತುವನ, will we reach at 10 o'clock? ಹಾಲು ಕಾಂಡ ಬೇಗ ಲಕ್ವಲ, will she get up early in the morning? Andu means yes or correct. Ijji means no or it's not or does not exist. We have another word in Tulu, attu, which means no. Attu is used for negating an idea or quality, while ijji is for actions. To make it clear, look at the examples below. E Ramena, are you Rama? Attu yan Tome. No, I am Toma. E Popana, will you go? Ijji, no. Undu Satyana, is this true? Attu, no. E Odvana, will you read? ijji. No. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next lesson, we will learn few more interrogative sentences in simple present tense. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.